Now we require to prepare this document as given in the image. One by one, we will be typing all the sentences and we will be doing the formatting as given in the image. So, point number one, a newsletter contains news and events which are of interest to a group of people. Type the above given sentence and do the formatting as mentioned. Font size equal to 12, font equal to Arial. Make newsletter bold. So I've already opened a Google Doc and I have given the name hands on and the date. First, the newsletter. The newsletter contain information. The newsletter contain news and events. The newsletter contain news and events which are of interest to a group of people, which are of interest to a group of people. So I have typed this particular sentence. First, what I require to see, I require to select the entire sentence. It is by default Arial. Make the font size as 12 and make the newsletter as bold. So the first part has been done. Moving to the second part that is given in the image. The second part is about subscript and superscript. X square plus y square equal to z square and C6H12O6. So x square plus y square will be equal to z square. First I'm typing the sentence, then I'll do the superscript and subscript C6H12O6. What I'm doing, selecting, going in font, format, text, subscript. The shortcut it is control and full stop. Again with the help of shortcut only I am doing control full stop. First I will show you the method font, text, subscript. What is a subscript? Control plus comma. Then the shortcut method. What is the shortcut method for subscript? It is control comma. Again select 6, only 6 and control comma. Control comma. Remember, after this, again we have to press control comma so that the cursor becomes normal. What is the third? The keyword in the text are highlighted. That means in this particular thing, I require to highlight the word keyword and highlighted. Font Arial size equal to 12. The keyword in the text are highlighted. So I'm going to type the keyword. The keyword in the text are highlighted. Done. Remember to check Arial 12. Yes, it is Arial 12. What I require to do, I require to select keyword, go in highlight color, make it yellow. Again in highlighted, select it, highlight color, yellow. And the last thing that is given on the page is create text effect as given below. Remember to de-highlight the highlight color because it will come in your formatting part. Insert drawing plus new. We have to wait till the actions come over here. When the actions are highlighted, we have to select the actions and we have to go on word art. You are able to see actions, word art. In word art, I will be typing TGAA and I'll just press enter. When I press enter, you will be able to see TGAA coming over here. Again, yes, it has come. Select it, change the color as orange, change the color as orange and the dashed, and just save and close. You will be able to see TGAA will be coming on the document. So in this manner, we are doing all the formatting.